Hello everybody. This is Mr. Bush here. Today what we're going to do is we're going to take those slides that we created in the last video and we are going to upload them into our Scratch project. Now what we're going to have to do for these two slides right here, these are the slides that are going to have to be transparent. My third slide, this is going to be my background slide, and it doesn't necessarily need to be transparent. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to leave this slide as it is. The next slide, what I'm going to have to do is just remember that this white logo is here. This is kind of a problem when we're doing this in Google Slides, because what happens is that when you make the background transparent, it just looks like a regular white slide deck. I wish they made kind of that checkered background, but unfortunately it doesn't do that in Google Slides. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead with the slides that I made black last time. I'm going to go ahead and change the background to transparent. And this one as well. There we go. So next, I'm going to go ahead and create my Scratch project. I'm going to go in and just go into my Scratch account, make sure that you're logged in, and press Create. And then I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the Scratch cat. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my slide deck, and I'm going to download these 3 slides. So I'm not downloading this 4th slide because this is just my project altogether, and I don't want that for my Scratch project. If you have more slides, that's fine. So what I'm going to do, the first slide, I'm going to go ahead and click File, Download, Save as PNG. And I'm going to go into my Downloads folder. And since I've got a lot of stuff in my Downloads folder, I'm just going to go ahead and create Scratch project. There we go. And I'm going to rename this 1 because it's my first slide. I'm just going to title it 1 because it's pretty simple and easy. I'm going to click on the second slide, do the same thing. File, download PNG, name it 2. And then file, download PNG 3. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my Scratch project. I'm going to title it so I'm going to go ahead and then click Choose Sprite, Upload Sprite, and then I'm going to go to that folder I created. 1, 2. Notice that the transparent background worked. And you can tell that it worked because it's sitting over the last slide that we uploaded. Last one. Okay, now we have our Scratch project ready to go. And now then you can go on to the next video.